Hello future investors, ready to dive into the world of Kenyan securities? Here's what you need to know. Before diving into the Kenyan securities, we have the Capital Markets Authority, which is the regulator in the sector. We have Nairobi Securities Exchange, which offers the platform of trading. We have the CDSC, Central Depository and Settlement. Okay, what is a CDS account, if you may ask? First, a CDS account is like a bank account, but for your stocks and bonds. It is essentially for trading in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Think of it as a digital safe for all your securities. Like a bank account. Yeah, but this one you put in your securities. Opening a CDS account, where do you go to? You can't open a CDS account directly, so you have to go through a broker of your choice. And they're actually listed on the CMA, that is Capital Markets Authority website, where you can go and get to choose a broker or an investment bank that you prefer to bank with and buy and sell your securities. You know, a good broker, you need to do your research. Go online, see reviews. Nowadays we have information on our fingertips, so you can go online and just Google and get reviews on the best that you can choose from, because as it is, I can't give you the best or the worst because they're enumerated and I haven't had experience with all of them. So it's you to choose one that you prefer, because all of them are actually licensed by the Capital Markets Authority, and it is upon you to just go there and pick one that calls your name. What are the required documents before you start trading on the securities or open a CDS account? First, you need to get a broker. So you got a broker. You need some documents, and these will be your national ID or your passport in case you're a foreigner, a KRA PIN or a PIN of wherever you were, and then a recent passport photo size, a bank statement or utility bill for proof of address. So those are the key things that you require before opening a CDS account. In case they've added more, your broker should be able to advise you before you start trading. You know what? Let me just digress a bit. Recently, I attended an AGM as a proxy on behalf of my dad. And I got to realize that most investors are senior citizens. Men, young people, where are you at? You need these investments because you see, like now, senior citizens, example, my dad, he requested that I attend at the AGM as his proxy. So I did. And of course, I had the right to vote because he gave that to me on his behalf. And believe you me, majority of investors present were senior citizens. Young people, you need to invest. We need to invest. Because you look at it like my dad now, where he sits at home, he receives his dividends annually or sometimes whatever they announce. And he's able now to just enjoy the fruits of his investments. He's a shareholder in a company, not one, not two, several. And that's actually a challenge to me because it means I need to do better. I need to do better for the sake of my retirement and that of my children. You know, when you're investing in stocks, then it means it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a long-term investment, which when you get onto, you are able to invest and just be reaping your dividends from time in, time out. And you are actually able to make a decision when it comes to AGM. You participate in the AGM and make a solid decision. Sio kama hizi voting za national voting and all that. This one, you're sure you make a decision, the results come thereabout, and you move. Okay? So, aside from that, so let's move on. We were at opening an account. So, you got a broker, you opened an account. So, it's time to fund your account. Now, time to put some money in. Transfer funds to your broker's account. When you're opening an account, they'll tell you how you put in money in your account, and it will be like just in a bank account, because your account, your CDS account, holds shares, but it will also show how much money you have put in to buy whatever securities that you want to buy. So once you choose securities to buy, then the broker will go ahead and go to the NSE, Nairobi Securities Exchange, and buy the shares. These shares are securities, same thing. So they'll go and buy on your behalf as your broker, and then now you become a shareholder of a company. So you can make decisions on the activities of a certain company. Yeah. So that's that. And then now you just need to give a minimum. I think you can buy 100 shares. That is the minimum. If that has changed, your broker should be able to advise you. Yeah. But yeah, if you have like 500 shillings, I mean, you can buy a few shares here and there. Shares and security is the same thing again. So if you have 500 bob, you can start. If you have 200 bob, I think you can also start. And if the more money you have, the more securities or shares that you can buy. Now the fun part, buying shares. And for you to buy shares, you need to place an order, mostly in writing, because that's what the capital markets regulation says. One of it says that you have to place an order in writing. So in this case, you can walk into a broker's office, write on a paper, and place an order to buy or sell your shares at whatever time you want, okay? And then you can either specify the specific price or put it open, so whatever price that hits on the market, they're able to buy or sell at that price. So alternatively, you can write them an email, you can whatever, as long as it's written. Yes, you can write them a letter. I'm kidding, because if you write them a letter, how long will it take for the letter to reach them? That you're buying and selling. Really, I'm kidding on that one. So decide on how many shares you want to buy and at what price. Your broker will handle the rest. That's it. You're ready to start with your investment journey. And let me know in the comment section what you want to see again in the next video that I do, and I'll be glad to talk about them. Next, we'll talk about bonds, treasury bills, and all that, and all things beautiful. And also forex trading. Are you a forex trader? Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the capital markets and what they can improve here and there. And also you can DM me in case you want more information and guidance on where to go from here. And until next time, happy investing, and may your portfolio grow.